Are your ACR project application failing because of the ACR User Dialogs Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for ACR User Dialogs Library, you can find a diagnostic tool for a thorough environment check. This is the ACR User Dialogs Library, a popular .NET library used by Xamarin mobile developers to display cross-platform UI dialogues, pop-ups, loading spinners, on Windows. If missing, specialized mobile to PC sync tools or Android emulators will crash citing an assembly mismatch, as the UI components cannot be rendered. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. This is a critical Windows system integrity issue. You should run the system file checker by opening command prompt as an administrator and executing sfc/scan now, allowing Windows to automatically repair core architecture files like ACR User Dialogs Library DLL. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the ACR User Dialogs library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. If you're attempting to install ACR User Dialogs Library DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement can lead to severe software conflicts and data corruption. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If configuration alerts are present, the official maintenance tool below outlines general guidance for ACR User Dialogs Library. If this fix repaired ACR User Dialogs Library dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.